M134D has released a new notice of award for the Combat Utility Helicopter Lot 2 acquisition project in favor of American arms manufacturer Dillon Aero. The project is worth more than 78 million pesos based on the NOAA and was received by Dillon Aero on December 31, 2021. The Philippine Air Force has been in talks with Dillon Aero and other suppliers for 16 M134D gatling guns, or one each for the 16 original S-70I Black Hawks ordered from Poland in 2019. It remains to be seen if the NOAA was still for 16 M134Ds, which means one each for the remaining helicopters plus one spare, or if the Air Force proceed to acquire 30 units, or 2 guns for each helicopter. Ammunition appears to be included in the deal, as well as mountings for the S-70I.